When put to the test, what packaging will hold up? See for yourself. Welcome to the Great Northern Laminations ISTA Lab video series. Today, we're testing e-commerce packaging used to ship lawn and garden tools, which can have sharp edges such as this steel edger. This item was packed in a corrugate box with paper filler around it, which can be inconsistent from package to package. An easier, more consistent solution is to use Laminations V-board and U-channel for interior package protection. Let's compare side by side how two packages perform in our ISTA test lab using the standard Amazon drop test. This test requires 17 separate drops to test the corners, edges, and faces of the package. The package with the paper filler shows the edger breaking through the package in several places. The package with V-board and U-channel interior protection successfully passed the Amazon drop test. Reduce damage, save time and money, improve your brand image. Contact us at Laminations.